I had 4 peak experiences here, and I came to these workshops with expectations for myself, but really no knowledge. I've never been on a retreat before. I've never really been exposed to tantric work, and I had a sex change basically a year ago, and I'm discovering my body and what it means to be a woman. And I wanted to basically be in a space where I could address those issues and deal with discomfort about being around men, for instance, feeling unsafe in my own former identity in the masculine world and being able to address it. And I felt incredibly safe in this environment, able to explore these things. And although there is a sexual part of it, it was very much about what's going on inside. And it's an incredibly professionally run experience. And the team that leads it is remarkable in their approach and holding a safe space for this kind of work. And I particularly enjoyed how much they also like to work together, and that made me also feel a lot more comfortable. So when I first had the idea of coming to something like this, and I didn't really know very much about it, I went to see one of the practitioners. So I reached out in the network, and I actually had a private bodywork session with one of the practitioners, and that also gave me a chance to ask some one-on-one questions, but also to feel what it was like to be with one of these people. And I got a sense and a taste of it, and it felt good. And I was able to ask also questions one-on-one, which made me feel comfortable to book. And then when I was going through the booking process, it's not like you just book and then you do it. You also have an interview with somebody to make sure that it felt all right. And I did have a very good sense in my conversation with the organizer that I spoke to. And so I would just say, dip your toe in, maybe do the level 1 experience, which was very challenging for me, but also is accessible and is clothes on, which makes it a lot easier to basically dip your toe into this world.